you saw the protest there by the opposition leaders. Let's go back to Akanksha with that update. Akanksha, the opposition leaders have, of course, said that they will allow the House to function, but we're seeing that the attacks on the Prime Minister, attacks on the centre still continue with posters being brought in as well. Is this an indication of what to expect in the House as well? Or, of course, like you mentioned, with the breakthrough and with the opposition also assuring the House will reconvene with discussions taking place in the floor of the House?
Well, absolutely. You see, right now, the opposition leaders are, in fact, protesting inside the parliament. They are demanding the discussion on Adani issue. Or, in fact, they have the posters that, in fact, is linking the Prime Minister to this entire matter. What they're demanding is that there should be discussion on this issue. Remember, in the last 1 week, opposition party leaders have been saying that the government is running away from addressing or having debate on these issues. On the other hand, the central government has this is the disruptive and the destructive, in fact, the tactics that has been adopted by the opposition parties. Yesterday, a lot of leaders said that they will cooperate as far as the functioning of the parliament is concerned, and that the debate and today's session will, in fact, remain constructive. But going by what is happening in the parliament right now, and there are protests that are happening there, it remains to be seen whether the logjam will continue and will the 7th day of the parliament session, this winter session of the parliament, will remain constructive or not. That remains to be seen. But for now, the Congress party and other opposition leaders are protesting in the parliament. They are demanding the discussion on the Adani issue. In fact, earlier today, Nasir Hussain, who is the Congress MP, he had issued a adjournment motion notice and he had demanded discussion on the Adani issue. So it remains to be seen what really happens on day 7th of the parliament session and whether it will be constructive or destructive this time as well.
Okay, all right.